What is the standard form? Standard form, it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. So, where ax squared is what we call the quadratic term, bx is what we call the linear term, and c is the constant term. Okay, next, let's have an example number 3. Okay, what if we have this equation? Okay, 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 5 equals negative 7. So this is quadratic equation. But this is not written in a standard form. So we need to write this equation into a standard form. Okay, so kailangan nating i-apply uli yung mga mathematical concept or mathematics concept na nauna nating na-discuss. Okay. So to change into a standard form, we expand the product. So how do we expand the product? Okay. So in this situation, we need to use the FOIL method. So F stands for the first term, so 2x times x is 2x squared. O stands for the outer term. The outer term is we have 2x and negative 5. So 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. And then I stands for the inner term. We have 3 and x, so we multiply 3 times x equals 2x. And L stands for the last term. We have positive 3 times negative 5 equals negative 15. And then equal to negative 7. And then we combine like terms. We combine negative 10x plus 3x, or we add negative 10x plus 3x. Then now we have 2x squared, then negative 7x minus 15 equals negative 7. Again, we're going to equate to 0 by applying the addition property of equality. Para maging 0 yung right side ng equation natin, which is negative 7 ito, dadagdagan natin siya ng positive 7 both left and right of the equation para ma-equate natin sa 0. Next, we have 2x squared minus 7x, then negative 15 plus 7 equals negative 7 plus 7 equals 0. Since meron pa tayong dalawang constant, kailangan natin siyang i-simplify ulit. So therefore, we have 2x squared minus 7x. To simplify, we add negative 15 and 7. So negative 15 plus 7 equals negative 8. Why negative 8? Pag same sign, nag-a-add tayo. Okay, pag different sign, nagsusubtract. Since we have negative 15 and positive 7, which is different sign, then we subtract. And then copy the sign of the bigger number. So which is bigger? The bigger number is 15. So we have negative sign equal to 0. We have the equation 2x squared minus 7x minus 8 equal to 0, which is nasa standard form na. It is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Next, identify natin kung ano yung a, ano yung b, at ano yung c. A is 2, b is negative 7, and c is negative 8. Okay. So, let's continue. We have, again, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 is standard form. Again, so in this equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, kapag yung b ay 0, so we have 0x. Okay, mawawala na yung bx. Okay, magkakaroon lang tayo ng ax squared plus c equals 0. So, etong equation na to, ax squared plus 0 plus c equals 0, is considered na standard form of the equation kahit na wala yung bx. So, example, we have x squared plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so this is in standard form. Number 2, negative 2x squared minus 9 equals 0. Standard form din. And for x squared minus 25 equals 0, which is standard form din. Ang middle term lang niya, or ang second term lang, or ang linear term lang niya ay 0. So, next, we have ax squared plus equals 0. When b is equal to 0, we have x squared plus 3 equal to 0. Number 2, negative 2x squared minus 9 equal to 0. And 4x squared minus 25 equals 0. Okay, so we're going to identify what is A, what is B, and what is C. On number 1, our A is 1. Okay, kapag wala tayong nakikitang number before the variable, that is always 1. How about the B? B is 0 and C is 3. Ang C is laging constant. Next, number 2, A is negative 2. Next, B is 0. Okay, and C, which is constant, is negative 9. And for number 3, A is 4, B is 0. Okay, wala tayong linear term. And C is negative 25. So now, you already know how to find the standard, or how to rewrite the equation in standard form, how to identify the A, B, and C. Okay, so let's have your activity. Write each quadratic equation in standard form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And then, identify the values of A, B, and C. So, I will give you an example. So, the quantity of x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 7 equals 0. Okay, in standard form, it is x squared plus 5x minus 14 equals 0. And the value of A is 1. Okay, again, pag wala tayong nakikitang number before the variable, ang coefficient niyan is 1. And B is 5. And we have C equals negative 14. So, good luck. Let's try this activity. Number 1, 5x minus 3x squared equals 2. Number 2, 2 minus 3x squared equals 8x. Number 3, the quantity of x plus 2 times x plus 7 equals 0. Number 4, we have 3x times the quantity of x minus 2 equals 9. Number 5, the square of x minus 3 plus 4 equals 0. Kapag naka-square yung binomial, for example, itong x minus 3 and then naka-square siya, it is equivalent to x minus 3 times x minus 3. Okay, dino-double natin yung binomial. So, now, it is in the form of x minus 3 times x minus 3 plus 4 equals 0. And then, since meron na tayong dalawang binomial, i-multiply na lang natin yan. So, it's up to you kung gagamitin mo yung method ng square of binomial or FOIL method. Good luck! Okay, so sa video na to, napag-aralan natin yung how to write the quadratic equation to standard form. It is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. We already learned how to identify the A, B, and C. And we also learned how to apply the different math concepts like the distributive property, the addition property, and we also learned how to find the product of polynomials. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. So for more math video lesson, you can search Mathish and then click playlist for the compilation. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to click the bell button below. And please share this video para makatulong po sa iba. Okay, so for more clarifications, corrections, suggestions, okay, pwede nyo pong i-comment below. Okay, so that's all for now and thank you so much.